Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys Bluetooth setting. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you disconnect your headphone to your Xiaomi phone. Where you want to disconnect your headphone to your phone, so as you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect headphone in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to disconnect. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on your Bluetooth setting. So as you can see guys, we have connected. So now we will disconnect. So guys, how? So as you can see this arrow, this right side guys. So I tap here. Then as you can see unpair option means disconnect guys. So guys, we will click here to disconnect. Then as you can see disconnected. So we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.